Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Solana. Solana NFT marketplace integration and dApp metrics shine even after SOL's 20% drop. Solana SOL price reached $143.50 on April 2nd, after an incredible 82% rally over a 20-day period. This positive performance can be attributed to recent non-fungible token (NFT) markets-related news and a market-wide bounce, but the current 22.7% decline could have investors confused. The rally started after Coinbase Wallet added support for SOL and other Solana-based blockchain tokens on March 18. The crypto exchange also outlined plans to further integrate with Solana by connecting the Coinbase Wallet with the decentralized applications, dApps, and NFTs hosted on the network, and Compound United States dollars to its digital asset offerings, according to the company's blog post. Meanwhile, all four cryptos are climbing intraday, with Shiba Inu, SHIB United States dollars 19.1% in the lead, followed by Polygon, Matic United States dollars 6.3%, Compound United States dollars 6.1%, and Solana, SOL United States dollars 4.1%. The newly listed digital coins are available to buy and sell on the Robinhood app, though deposit and withdrawal won't be available immediately for these assets, but that capability is coming soon, the fintech said. The call that the company's co-founder and CEO, Vlad Tenev, hinted at plans towards the end of January to add more digital tokens to its crypto trading capabilities. Note that HUD's crypto transaction-based revenue was heavily reliant on meme coin Dogecoin, Doge United States dollars, which has shown some weakness in recent quarters. Earlier in April, Robinhood said that the Lightning Network is coming to its app. And last news today about quantify your DeFi with these life-changing cryptos. Pac-Man Frog, PAC, Terra, Luna, and Solana, SOL. Decentralized finance (DeFi) is a new financial system based on distributed ledgers that are similar to those used by cryptocurrencies. Banks and financial institutions will no longer be able to control money, financial commodities, or financial 7.9% based on estimates from the last 6 months. Solana is gunning for Ethereum's crown as the battle for supremacy among smart contract platforms rages on. Even though Ethereum continues to lead the pack in this regard, it has not discouraged others who have been rapidly growing to steal market share from it. Solana has no doubt been the most powerful of these contenders, especially with the growth of its NFT space. These NFTs have been doing quite well on the network, attracting millions of new users to the Solana blockchain. Ethereum remains ahead in terms of volume, but it seems this may not be for much longer, as some Solana NFT projects have been breaking records. The OK Bears NFT was like any other NFT launch on the Solana network. It had a waitlist which allowed those who got waitlisted to easily mint the NFTs on the mint day. However, this unassuming project would prove to be a game-changer for the Solana network, as it has rapidly grown in popularity and returned one of the highest NFT volumes on record. Sign of rising user adoption. This is evident in the graph attached below. What led to this fall? Well, one event could explain this free fall. Binance, the largest crypto exchange, on 29 April, announced the suspension of withdrawals from the Solana SOL network. The exchange further stated, this is due to high withdrawal volume generated with blank transaction IDs. Once confirmed that the on-chain transactions failed, the corresponding withdrawal requests would be rejected. The entire process takes at least 4 hours. This development marked the second time Binance will be halting withdrawals for Solana this month. On 7 April 2022, Binance announced that it would suspend withdrawal for Solana because of a network glitch experienced at the time. Solana is currently the 6th largest cryptocurrency by market cap at $31.7 billion. In the past 24 hours, it recorded a trading volume of over $1 billion, with more than $160 million of that in the SOL-USDT pair on Binance. Needless to say, the SET blockade would directly affect the flagship network and its native token in some way. Solana, SOL, a blockchain platform seems likely. As shown by DappRadar data on April 8, the number of Solana network addresses interacting with decentralized applications increased by 11% on average. Bucca, a user-friendly decentralized exchange, DEX, was the absolute highlight, amassing 153,290 users. Even though Solana's TVL has been hit the hardest compared to similar smart contract platforms, there is solid network use on DeFi and NFT marketplaces, as measured by Magic Eden's 212,230 active addresses in the last 30 days. The data above suggests that Solana investors should not worry about the most recent correction. The Solana ecosystem is fueled by the delivery of important milestones toward Ethereum compatibility and NFT market integrations. As long as this happens, the potential for further price appreciation seems likely. SOL price continues to trade lower after expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. SOL rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. SOL is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of SOL will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of SOL ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026. Solana price prediction 2027. Solana's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SOL could reach $886.45 by 2027, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $731.64 for 2027, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2027. Solana price prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Solana could cross $1,220.19 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $1,052.77. SOL price prediction 2029. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Solana will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2029, SOL is expected to peak at $1,774.86. The minimum bet could rise to $1,443.62 if the market turns bullish. Solana price prediction 2030. It appears that by 2030, Solana, SOL, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2030, we can expect the average rate to be $2,137.86. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Solana's maximum price could be up to $2,572.46 in 2030. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market.